Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another new video. So in this video we are gonna learn how to create a street stall restaurant. So we are gonna create a mini restaurant in the street. Alright, I have my notion here how to create a street stall restaurant. Alright, we have the image prompt here and the video prompt here. Alright, and I slowly will get the idea what we are gonna create. First, let's go to Google Gemini. Alright, and I have told Google Gemini to give me some fake unknown brands types like drink brand, snack brand, shoes brand, and etc. So we are gonna choose hot food stalls, and I'm gonna use street noodle brand. Alright, okay, there's more also. Satay brand, taco brand, there's a drinks option also. So basically we will have a stall, a street, but in the street, so it will be street stall. Alright, I'm gonna go with the noodles. Okay, so I'm gonna copy this. Okay, and then I'm gonna go to new chat. I'm gonna create. Make sure you have enabled this nano banana. We're gonna create an image using nano banana. Alright, and submit. Okay, so now we have a result after tweaking our prompt. So let's start from the beginning. At first I have sent this prompt to Google Gemini, and we got this result. I didn't like that much, and then I gave another prompt, image prompt, and then we got this result that this doesn't suit our theme. And then I gave another result, and then finally we are reaching to our expectations. All right, this can be an option, but I wanted to remove the buildings and the people here, so I gave another image prompt of this one, and I told Google Gemini, I have copied the image and told Google Gemini to remove the people and the buildings, and we have got this, but the text, it doesn't match with our theme. So I told Google Gemini to remove the name to Anshita AI noodles, and finally we have our image. Alright, now what we are gonna do, we are gonna download this, or we are gonna open a new chat. Alright, you can just copy and then paste. Alright, and then don't forget to create an image. Now we are gonna copy this image prompt. Alright, copy, and then go back to Google Gemini and paste, and then send. Before sending, don't forget, create an image, nano banana, create an image. Alright, and then send. It's better if you have your product image before, so you don't have to go back and forth. Alright, okay, now we have our result. This can be better, but I would like to try again. Okay, so now finally we have our result. It could be better. Let's, if you're not satisfied with the result, then you can redo, but I'm okay with this. All right, now let's copy, or you can download the image. All right, now let's go to Pixverse. Okay, so we have already attached the picture, alright, that we have downloaded from Google Gemini. Now what we are gonna do is we are gonna go back to our Notion, and we are gonna copy the video prompt and then paste the video prompt here and create. Okay, now let's see how our result is. We have retry. Okay, same result. Now what we are gonna do, since we are getting the same result, we are gonna try with Higgsfield. Okay, so we are gonna try Higgsfield. We have tried using Kling, the official website. We have tried Pixverse, the official website. Now we are gonna use Higgsfield for this. All right. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna upload the image here. All right, and I'm gonna paste our video prompt. Alright, now we are gonna click generate. Okay, so now we have our result. Now let's see how the result is. The video is fine. We can recreate if we are not satisfied with the result. Or I have an idea actually. We can use Meta AI for this. Let's try using Meta AI. We have seen how our result is, right? So we are gonna try to use Meta AI and compare the result. Alright, let's just upload our video prompt and submit. Okay, I prefer actually the Meta AI result. At least, you know, the people is moving. You can see the people is moving here. Something is going on, and there is zoom in also. But if we compare Higgsfield result, let's see how the result is. It's only like the camera is static, no movements, only this person is moving little bit. See, you can see that the rest is not moving at all. So I prefer Meta AI result. Guys, let me know which one do you prefer, Higgsfield or Meta AI. Alright, so that's it guys. I hope you get the idea. So this is how you can create your own street stall restaurant. Alright, I hope this video is helpful for you. If you find this video helpful, Please like, share, subscribe, and comment to the channel. And if you're watching until the very end, do comment I have watched till the very end, or drop a yellow heart or yellow star. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.